Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RBI says it plans to issue new bank licenses. Bharti Airtel posts losses for the first quarter. And markets fall on weak global performance. A fresh paper from the RBI has raised the hopes of some financial companies. On Wednesday, the central bank released a so-called discussion paper that says it plans to issue licenses to set up new banks. The paper says the RBI will issue a limited number of licenses. It adds that to qualify, companies should not be involved in real estate investments. The RBI is now inviting comments on its suggestions, including issues like minimum capital requirements and caps on the shareholdings of promoters and foreign companies. And stocks of some financial companies that are looking to become banks soared after the release of the RBI paper. Religare Enterprise shares surged 3.67% on the BSE to about 430, and Reliance Capital saw its stock shoot up more than 2% to 774.5. And in corporate, Bharti Airtel reported a fall in first quarter profits. The company saw a 32% decline in net profit to about 1,700 crores. Revenues, on the other hand, increased 17% to more than 12,000. Bharti's profit numbers have been hit by a tariff war between Indian phone companies that has cut into their margins. The average revenue per user, which is used to calculate profitability, fell 23% to 215 rupees. Bharti's performance was also hurt by foreign exchange losses of $2.2 billion caused by currency fluctuations. And Bharti Airtel stock lost ground on news of the quarterly numbers. On the BSE, its shares fell 1.42% to about 320. And in other news, the government says it will resolve environmental concerns about the controversial POSCO steel project in Orissa. On Wednesday, Steel Minister Veerbhadra Singh said problems raised by the Environment Ministry would be addressed and dealt with soon. Korea-based POSCO is planning to build a $12 billion steel plant in Orissa. But last week, the Environment Ministry ordered work to be stopped while it investigated possible violations of the Forest Rights Act. Locals, including forest dwellers, of course, have been protesting against the project now for more than 3 years. And finally, while some local stocks gained on Wednesday, weak global equities dragged down Indian markets overall. On Wednesday, the Sensex shed a full 150 points to end at 18,070, and the Nifty fell 40 to end at 5,421. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.